Hey, what's up guys? I'm Ryan from American Trucks, and today I'm here with the Extang Solid Fold 2.0 Tonneau cover fitting your 2015 to 2018 F150 with a 6.5 foot bed. This is going to be for the F150 owner looking for one of the nicest tri-fold bed covers that we currently offer on the site. This tough folding cover makes closing up and accessing your bed a breeze. Its 3-panel design allows partial or full access, while its patented Easy Lock clamps and perimeter seal keep your cargo safe and dry. This is designed with EnduraShield polymer panels, which are made from a lightweight polypropylene foam core wrapped in EnduraShield skins. This makes it very superior to impact scratches and dents. Now this is all wrapped around a sturdy aluminum frame with a black powder coating, making it very corrosion resistant. The Easy Locks and jaw grip clamps attach quickly to your bed rails without damaging those bed caps, so there's no drilling required. Now as far as price goes, this is about middle of the road for this design at around $920, and it's well worth the money considering it's made right here in the USA and has a great 3-year warranty. Now this bed cover we're installing is for a 6.5 foot bed, however we do offer it for your 5.5 foot and 8 foot beds as well. As far as install goes, I'm going to give this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, since you can install this in about 20 minutes and there's no tools needed. With that being said, let's hop into the install. So we're going to begin this installation in the bed of our truck. Now when you receive your cover, you're going to have it all folded up like this and buckled together. These buckles here are going to face the rear glass, so we're going to lay this up and on top of it, unbuckle it, and then fold it out. So after we fold this all the way out, what you want to do is just go around the truck and make sure that this is even and centered on the bed. Once you have that, we're going to go ahead and fold this back up very gently, making sure that we don't shift it at all so we can get the rear clamps installed. So once you crawl underneath of the bed cover, we're going to go ahead and release this from the cover, and we'll slide it as close as possible to the bed rail edge, since this is going to attach underneath. Now what you want to do is take this and spin this up a little bit. That way we can get it a little closer to the cover, since these aluminum jaws are going to move in once you start twisting the knob up. So we're going to get that right where we want it. And then fold that in, and we'll move this up and then tighten this knob down. So we're going to do the same thing for the other side and get that as close as possible. Lock that in place, and we'll spin this up some. Push our aluminum jaws up, and then we can tighten this nut. So one of the nice things about this cover is it actually has these straps and buckles up here, so you can keep this whole thing folded up and secured by the rear window. With that being said, we're going to fold this all the way down, and I'll show you how to get these rear clamps installed. Now these rear clamps are really easy to install, and they make it very easy to latch and unlatch this. It's the same concept as the other ones towards the back of the bed, however these are spring-loaded. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to pull these down from their little holder, and then we'll get it close to the bed rail just like as the rear, except these will pull down and latch onto there. So we're going to get that real close, and then that's going to lock in place, and we'll just pull it down and latch it. We're going to do the same thing for the other side. Getting that close as we can, and just pulling that down and locking it in place. So that's gonna wrap up my review and install. For more videos like this, check us out at AmericanTrucks.com.